Hey guys, Karthik Rami here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use hello bar on your pages. So what is a hello bar? A hello bar can be a great way to greet new guests coming to your, website. Whether they're first-time visitors or, you can also engage your returning visitors. So what is a hello bar? So it's usually a floating bar that fits at the top or bottom of your page. And why should you use it? You get great, interactions when you use these sticky hello bars. There are a lot of different use cases. You can use it to create a sense of scarcity, make an announcement, run a special deal, or even collect leads. The possibilities are endless. This hello bar will grab your user's attention. That's the key. We've used it before and we've seen our conversions go up when we use the hello bar with a timer, thanks to the sense of urgency. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, just a second, guys. All right. I come in here and go to components. So you can see that this is our event page, right? So here we've added two sections to make it easier for you. One is the hello bar and the other is the hello bar with a timer. So let me just show you both of these. First, let me start with the hello bar with the timer. So I just take these and then drop it here. So as you can see, I have a beautiful, floating hello bar with a call to action headline. And then I have a timer. And then I have a call to action button, right? So it could be like, price. Increases in, and then I can come to this timer and set the time. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So go in here in the countdown timer, you can select the end date and time. Let's say there's going to be a price increase in 2 days. I'm just going to do that, all right? And then this is for the Indian customer, so the time zone can be in IST. All right, okay, let me just pick that. And on expiration, you can do a series of things. It can be do nothing, I can even hide the timer if you want. This is going to be hidden, or I can redirect to a URL. So I'm just going to say hide the timer. All right, I'm just going to come out of here and then so basically, the first step is, you drag the hello bar under the section components, and then you can, change any of the style settings. If you want to change the background color of the hello bar, you can do that as well. Let me show you here. You can change the background color. This is the color that's currently selected, right? You can change it to any color you want. Now, so if you want to, change the style of the button or any of these individual elements, you already know how to do it. So we've basically combined everything and, given it to you in a single component. Like you come in here, go to components. We've added two sections. If you want a hello bar with a timer or just a hello bar, all right? Let me go ahead and save this right now. Before that, you can also take a moment to check the mobile view just to make sure it looks good and displays properly on mobile devices. We've already tested it thoroughly. By default, it's going to look great and function well on mobile. So you just need to save this, and then once you publish it, all right, let me just give it a minute to finish processing. All right, now I'm just going to click publish. Let me open the publish URL. Okay, so it's publishing. It should be live in about 2 minutes. So let's just wait for that. But guys, I've seen hello bars, in every one of the launches I do, I always have a hello bar with a timer at the top or at the bottom, and I make it sticky, all right? So let me refresh this and see if it's published. Not yet, right? Okay, here we go. So you can see that as you scroll through the page, right? The hello bar stays in place, which means it's giving some really important information. And that information is that the price is going to go up. 1 day, 10 hours, right? That's the information. So another thing you can do is, well, it's up to you. You can even have this hello bar instead of at the header, you can put it at the footer. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, click here and then instead you go to sticky and instead of on top, you select on bottom, all right? And then you can publish that directly. And this page is getting published again, so it's going to be published in, less than a minute, hopefully. Then this timer, the whole sticky bar would show up at the bottom. I'd used it on the top and bottom as well, depending on, what you want to do, like to make an announcement or, create a sense of urgency. You can have multiple use cases. All right, now you can see that on every one of my pages, I have this scarcity hello bar timer. All right, so it's a cool thing. Do use it on your pages, and you'll definitely notice an increase in conversions. Do let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to reach out to the support desk. So when we decided that we wanted a hello bar, we were really excited and wanted to come up with this. All right, guys, cheers. Karthik Ramani signing off.